3 things to consider if building new construction. I'm Michelle Snyder, a local realtor here in the Indianapolis area, and on today's Weekly Minute, I'm going to talk to you about new construction. Number 1 is keep in mind when you walk through those new construction communities, the salesperson that's in those offices works for the builder. She gets paid by the builder, she gets a commission from the builder, so she's actually looking out for her builder and the best interest of that builder. Number 2 is home inspection. You can have a home inspection done on a new construction home if you are building a home. There's nothing wrong with that. You can ask the builder to actually include it in your contracts and let them know that you'll be having an inspection done. And lastly, you always want to include your realtor when touring new construction and going into these sales models, because your realtor has got your best interest in mind, and they're going to make sure that you are protected along the way. Now, if you have any questions, you live in the Indianapolis area, feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to help. Have a great day.